Good afternoon, YouTube. Mainly scratching here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a nice $70 session from Vending Machine. We got two of the $250,000 Frenzy, two of the $250,000 Jackpot, two of the Patriots tickets, two Show Me 100,000, and five of the Money Bag Doublers. Let's get started. Been a while since I've done these or since I've seen them. Looking for a match win, a money bag for double the prize. Looking for a 29. Hey, we got a 29 right there. Looks like just a single 29 for $3. Looking for a 15. No dice there. $33. $39. And nothing on that one. Looking for 15. And nothing there. We got $3 back on that today. Let's see about Show Me 100,000. Looking for a match win. Money bag for the auto win. 5x. And that star for a win all. Looking for a 10, 21, 28, and a 25. Last row, we've got 6, 1, 11, 19, and a 26. $24, 4, 11, and 3. Last row, 17, 19, 30, 12, and a 20. Nothing on that. Looking for 17, a 1, 18, and a 14. Looking for a match win, money bag for an auto win, touchdown for a win all, and goalposts for $50 win. $10, $25, $7, $24, and an 8. Looking for an 11, a 3, a 6, and a 5. We got a 6 and an auto win, and a 3 and an auto win. This one looks like it's gonna be pretty decent. Another auto win and a 5. Another auto win. Another 5. And an 11, and an auto win. Alright, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Very nice. Alright, can we get the goalpost for the 50? Nope. That's a very nice win, though. Multiple matches and multiple auto wins for $100. Very nice. We are officially in a profit session. Looking for 38, 8, 18, 13, 23. As well as a stack of coins for an auto win and fistful of cash for the win, 10 times the price. Last row, we've got 30, 50, 47, 37, and a 35. Nothing there. And nothing in the bonus. Looking for 26, a 3, 25, 11, and a 6. Last row, we've got 35, 31, 12, 5, and a 1. Alright. Looking for a match win. The gold bar for an instant 100. Cash for a win all. And then a money bag on the backside. Looking for 24, 35, 17, 46, and a 22. Last row, we've got 32, 31, 6, 5, and a 48. Can we find a win on the backside? Looking for that money bag. And no dice. We're looking for a 15, 11, 12, 3, and a 40. 4. Last row, we've got 20, 35, 14, 19, and a 26. Looking for that money bag. That would be nice, but we didn't find it. Alright, not bad though. $70 session with that $100 win right there on that $5 ticket and that $3 win there. $103 back in return. Y'all have a great lucky rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys later.